Hey, this is Dave from ERC, and I got a quick clip for you. This is a flight clip, but unfortunately it's a bad one because I lost my DW Eagle. This is a 1200mm Eagle in a pine tree. So I just want to run that clip by you so you can see what happened. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, I don't have the Eagle because it's up in a pine tree.
Alright, getting ready to fly the Eagle again, this time with a hat cam on it. And hopefully, because it's been raining, the golfers will stay away. Yeah, just a little break in the rain right now, and it won't last, and then it's going to get windy. It's around 2 o'clock, I'd say. Something like that. Let's give it a try. Of course, it has to go right into the wind, but it is flying with the camera on there. Alright. We're around, coming for a flyby. I'm going to try a... Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Do another flyby. Oh, we have a bird. Trying to get up high enough to do a loop-de-loop. Here we go. Well, that wasn't a very good loop-de-loop.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Ended up in a tree. Well, the plane's now fallen out of the bare tree, so it looks like it's kind of stuck and lost. Let's look at it from underneath. So I can actually see the wing just barely sticking out there where it's nestled in the pine tree. Yeah, so there's the wing right there, and I've tried to reach it with a pole and poke it and stuff, and it just won't come down. It's stuck up there in that pine tree. Here's another view of it from the backside, and it's really up in there.
So it looks like the 1200mm Eagle is now sort of an extinct species around here, or at least it's an endangered species. I don't know how I'll get it down out of that tree. In hindsight, I think I should have used the 1100 kV motor instead of the 980. The 980 was fine most of the time, but when I put a camera onto the plane, added the extra weight, it just didn't seem to have enough power to do that loop-de-loop. And I think that was my whole issue. I came out of that loop-de-loop, and it was headed right for the tree, and I don't know what happened. I guess I had a brain fart and just didn't go ahead and give it all the elevator and rudder I could get and get that thing turned around, but I didn't think fast enough. It's kind of like watching a football play in slow motion and saying, hey, that guy could have done better than that. Oh yeah, but you know, it's too late now. It's up in the tree and it's gone. So I think what I ought to do is probably just give it up, but rather than quit the hobby, what I think I'll probably do is order the 1400mm Eagle and build that up. Maybe get that ready soon, or next year. It is kind of getting towards winter now, but I'm not going to give up. I really like the Eagle. It's a great little bird, and it does attract the live birds, and it's kind of fun just to see that action going on between the live birds and the RC Eagle. So yeah, I think I'm not going to give it up, the hobby or the Eagle. I think I'm going to get another Eagle. I'll get the 1400mm and build that up and see how that works. So until next time, signing out, Dave from ERC. Hey, we all end up in a tree sometimes.